Your sink's full of dirty water. It won't drain. You've tried running the tap harder, maybe even poked around with a spoon. Still nothing. A clogged kitchen sink isn't just annoying. It stops your whole kitchen from functioning. But don't panic. You don't need to call a plumber. You don't need fancy tools. And you definitely don't need expensive drain cleaners that smell like chemicals and ruin your pipes. There's a faster, cheaper, safer way to unclog that kitchen sink, using stuff you probably already have at home. Let's walk through it. First things first. What causes the clog? In most cases, it's a sticky combination of grease, food scraps, soap residue, and maybe coffee grounds. Over time, they build up and form a nasty blockage right in the P-trap, that curved pipe under the sink. Now let's fix it. Here's method 1, the classic baking soda and vinegar combo. Start by boiling a kettle or large pot of water. While that's heating, pour 1 cup of baking soda directly into the drain. Use a spoon or small funnel to help guide it in if needed. Next, slowly pour in 1 cup of white vinegar. Immediately cover the drain with a plug or a small bowl. You'll hear fizzing and bubbling. That's the reaction breaking down gunk inside your pipes. Let it sit for 15 minutes. This gives the mixture time to soften and dislodge the clog. Now grab that boiling water and carefully pour it down the drain in a slow, steady stream. If the water drains easily, congratulations. Your sink is officially unclogged. If not, don't worry. We're just getting started. Here's method 2, the plunger technique, but not the one you use in the toilet. You'll need a cup plunger, the kind with a flat bottom made for sinks. Make sure the sink contains enough water to cover the plunger's rubber cup. Place it over the drain, create a tight seal, and plunge up and down firmly about 10 to 15 times. Lift the plunger and check the water level. If it drains, success. If not, repeat the process once or twice. Often the pressure is enough to break up soft clogs. Still stuck? Time for method 3, the wire hanger trick. Take a regular metal hanger and straighten it out, leaving a small hook at the end. Insert it carefully into the drain. Wiggle it around and pull up any visible food particles, gunk, or hair that might be causing the backup. Be gentle. You don't want to scratch your pipes or push the clog deeper. After removing any debris, flush the drain again with hot water. Finally, if you're still having trouble, we have one last cheap and fast solution: salt and baking soda. Mix half a cup of table salt with half a cup of baking soda. Pour it into the drain. Let it sit overnight, then flush it with boiling water in the morning. Salt has an abrasive quality that scrubs the inside of your pipes, and baking soda helps deodorize and lift grease. Now, let's talk prevention, so you don't have to do this again anytime soon. Number 1. Never pour grease or oil down the drain. It solidifies and clogs the pipes. Number 2. Always use a sink strainer to catch food bits before they go down. Number 3. Once a week, flush your drain with hot water or use the baking soda and vinegar trick monthly as maintenance. You don't need chemicals. You don't need a plumber. And you don't need a headache every time the sink gets sluggish. With a little know-how and some everyday ingredients, you can get things flowing again. Fast, cheap, and chemical-free. Problem solved. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.